Hello, welcome to our Integrative Longevity Omics website. I'm Dr. Tom Perls, a professor of medicine and geriatrician here at Boston University School of Medicine and one of the principal investigators of this study. This study is not only a study of centenarians and their offspring, but very interestingly, a study also of multiple different species with different lifespans. Our hope is with our collaboration with these investigators at the University of Rochester and the University of Michigan, Ann Arbor, that by studying these species with different lifespans, we can much better understand the biological mechanisms that lead to such major differences in lifespan that range from just less than a year to over 30 years. By understanding these mechanisms, we can really learn much better, we think, about knowing what to start looking for in humans in terms of what is enabling them, potentially among our subjects, the ability to live well into your early hundreds. Now, we also study the offspring of centenarians with the idea that both the offspring and their parents really seem to age incredibly slowly. And as a result, they also markedly delay aging-related diseases, most notably Alzheimer's disease, but also heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and cancer. Now, in this day and age of COVID, we're not going to see our subjects in person in terms of doing their cognitive function testing and physical function testing, but rather we'll get that information by mail, through questionnaires, over the telephone, and through a medium like this, through the internet. The one time where a person does visit our subjects is a trained professional will come and see them just for about 15 minutes, wearing a mask and gloves and being very careful, obtaining our sample of blood. And from this blood, that's our omics namesake. We measure a huge number of things in the blood, ranging from proteins to metabolites to a whole range of substances, as well as a person's genes, with the hope of trying to understand what of these things are actually associated and differentiate people from those who live to extreme old age and just the average population. From that information, we hope to understand the biological mechanisms that enable these people to age so slowly. And from that, hopefully to decipher strategies and maybe even develop therapeutics that could help the rest of us do what these incredible people do naturally. So thank you very much for joining us at this website. Please take a look at the other videos, take a look at the other information that we make available to you. And I hope that if you know a centenarian or their kids, or if you're one of them, that you'll please contact us about your interest in the study. Thank you very much, and be well.